everyone. Today we will be reading the poem The Ball Poem by John Berryman. This poem discusses a small boy who has lost his ball while playing. But on a larger level, on a larger scale, the poem metaphorically discusses the loss of various different things in life. The loss of childhood, the loss of innocence, the loss of possessions, the loss of your near and dear ones, and so on. The poem also teaches us that we have to survive, that we have to learn how to endure those losses, how to stay strong, move on, and survive for ourselves. So let's start the poem. What is the boy now who has lost his ball? Now the poet is referring to a boy, to a small boy who is playing with the ball and who has just lost his ball. What is he to do? The reason why the poet has used what twice is to emphasize what is he going to do now? क्या करने वाला है वो? What will he do now? Although we know as a grown up, as an elderly, we know that loss of ball is nothing. We can buy another ball, but for a small boy, a ball is much important thing. A ball, it holds a very important place for him because all he knows about his possessions is some pencils, pens, and some balls and some other toys only. तो उसके लिए एक ball का खोना एक बहुत important event है. I saw it go, the poet says. I have seen it going down. Merrily bouncing. When the boy was playing with it, it was bouncing here and there. So it was giving an appearance of being happy. He was happily playing with the boy. So merrily bouncing means happily bouncing. He was playing happily with the ball. Down the street. It has gone down the street and then merrily over. There it is in the water. And then it jumped into the pool of water. It has gone into the water. No use to say, oh, there are other balls. Although we can convince the boy, we can convince the small children that we will buy another one for you. But the ultimate truth is that we can never revive back the same thing again. वो चीज हमें वापस कभी नहीं मिल सकती. हम और ला सकते हैं बॉल, है ना, और बॉल्स खरीद सकते हैं, बट द एग्जैक्ट सेम थिंग कैन नेवर बी अटेन्ड बैक. Similarly, when we lose some relations in life, we lose some near and dear ones in life, we can go on and make more friends, we can go on and make buy another things, but we can never revive the same thing. We can never revive the same friendship. We can never revive those who have gone away from our lives forever. So this is the fact. An ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy, and the boy is overcome by a lot of sadness, a lot of grief. He is so sad. He feels like that I cannot get that ball back ever again. As he stands rigid, he has become stiff. He is just looking constantly at the water into which his ball has gone. Trembling, staring down. He's trembling. He has a fixed eyes. He is staring down the water so that he can get that same ball again. All his young days into the harbor where his ball went, and he is remembering, he is memorizing his older days when he used to play with that ball. He is reviving all those memories when he used to play with that ball. इसी तरह से when we lose something in our life, some near and dear one in our life, we start remembering each and every event, each and every incident that we shared with that person, or each and every event with, even if we lose a pet, we start it starts coming like a movie in front of our eyes, that how we used to play with the pet, how we used to pamper it, how we used to tame it. तो इसी तरह से उस बॉय के सामने उसके जो ओल्ड डेज है, उसकी जो इनोसेंस है, उसकी जो चाइल्डहुड है, that is coming back to him. In the harbor where his ball went, and he is standing near the harbor जहाँ पर उसकी बॉल जाकर पानी में गिर गई. I would not intrude on him. The poet says कि I will not interfere right now with him. इस समय में जाकर उसकी privacy में, उसकी शांति में, उसकी जो वो जो सोच रहा है उसमें I will not enter that mindset right now. A dime, another ball is worthless. Although we know that we can just buy another ball with very little money, or we can buy him another ball, we can give him some money to buy some other toy, but actually we are not going to get him the same ball back again. So asking him that we will give you some money or I will buy you another ball is worthless right now, because poet भी जानता है, हम भी जानते हैं, the thing that is lost, once lost, is lost forever. Now he senses first responsibility. Now this is the first time in his life that boy has seen some loss in his life. The boy has come across some loss in his life. पहली बार जिंदगी में उसने ये महसूस किया है, उसने ये फील किया है कि किस तरह से मेरी कोई चीज कभी खो भी सकती है. I can lose something in my life. पहली बार उसको एहसास हुआ है अपनी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी का, दैट इट वॉज माई रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कीप माई बॉल सेफ. सो इन द सेम वे दिस इज आवर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू कीप आवर रिलेशंस विद आवर लव्ड वंस, टू कीप आवर पोजेशंस सेफली इफ वी डोंट वांट टू रिपेंट देयर लॉस. इन अ वर्ल्ड ऑफ पोजेशंस, नाउ इस ये जो वर्ल्डली है संसार है, ये जो मटेरियलिस्टिक वर्ल्ड है, इसमें पहली बार उसको ये रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी की फीलिंग आई है. People will take balls will be lost always. Now this is the first time he has come across the feeling कि लोग कई बार हमारी चीजें चुरा लेंगे, कई बार उनको रिप्लेस कर देंगे, कई बार हमारी चीजें खो जाएंगी, और ये सारी चीजें तो बार बार लाइफ में होंगी. The life goes on like this only, and we have to stay strong. We have to overcome these losses, and we have to carry on in our life. Little boy, and no one buys a ball back. Yes, it is a fact, it is the truth कि कभी भी वो बॉल वापस हमें कोई लाकर नहीं दे सकता. कोई भी हमें हमारा वो खोया हुआ समय, वो हमारी चाइल्डहुड, हमारी इनोसेंस, हमारे रिलेशंस, हमारे पोजेशंस, कुछ भी हमें वापस ला करके नहीं दे सकता है. Money is external. Money is useful, but still it cannot satisfy the internal feelings. It cannot satisfy our spirit. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. He is learning a lesson. His eyes are desperate. He is having hopeless eyes because he is feeling the loss of ball. The epistemology of loss. Now what is epistemology? It is the study of nature of knowledge. Means he has first time in his life realized that this is the nature of life. This is the very nature of our life, that we keep on incurring losses and gains. How to stand up, and this is a lesson. This is going to teach him a value, that how to stand up, how to move on in life whenever we incur a loss. Knowing what every man must one day know, and this is a lesson which has to be learned by every human being that comes into this world. And most know many days how to stand up, and gradually everyone in this world learns how to stand up. सब धीरे धीरे सीख जाते हैं how to come over, how to come up with the losses, और किस तरह से उन losses के साथ हमको लाइफ को आगे बढ़ाते रहना है. Thank you so much.